Hi, this is Kapil and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. This is Christmas time and Christmas is all about red and white. My today's cake is on the similar color palette. I'm making coconut and cranberry Christmas cake. So let's get started. So first, before starting onto the cake, I'll prepare cranberry sauce. For that, I've taken dried cranberries. So in a pan, I'll add dried cranberries first. So into this goes caster sugar to cut down the tartness of berries, since berries are very tart, and little bit of water. So the sugar will melt gradually. So into this goes lemon juice. It will be this way's jammy consistency. And I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it is at right temperature, because temperature is very important when we are doing baking. So for the cake, in a mixing bowl I add cooking butter, and the butter is unsalted as well as it is at room temperature. So the butter has to be soft. And this butter is extremely creamy, very rich in fat. So into the butter goes caster sugar. And now I'll have to beat it well for at least 2 to 3 minutes till it is pale in color and very fluffy, cloud-like. And it is done. And here goes vanilla, and after this I'll use orange rind. So this goes into the bowl, and after this, since it's an eggless cake, curd. And after adding all the aromatics and curd, what I have to do, just mix it, just blend it well, don't overbeat, and mixing is done. So first into the sieve goes maida, which is all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and pinch of salt is crucial in baking, so never skip it. So you have to sieve all the dry ingredients into the bowl over the wet mixture, and cranberry, and this is desiccated coconut. So now you have to mix it, cut, and then fold. So this ways you make sure that you are not over mixing the batter. So next goes the liquid part of it, which is the milk. So I have these two 7 inches round cake tin pans which are nicely greased. So same amount of batter ensures spread the batter, and it is a little thick batter. It's not of runny consistency. And this is what the beauty of the cake is all about. Just a tiny bit of water. And the butter will melt and the sauce will be buttery, delicious. So the batter is absolutely ready to be baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, or till the skewer inserted in the center comes out absolutely clean. Cakes are getting baked nicely and the cranberry sauce is done. I'll pour it into another bowl because it has to be nice, cold, chilled before decorating the cake. So cakes are baked perfectly. So what I did is I cooled down the cakes to room temperature, and after that I kept these cakes in the fridge for 15 minutes so they are nice and chilled. So make this delicious coconut and cranberry Christmas cake at home. Share your feedback with me and do comment how the cake turned out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. See you again. This is Kapil with more such recipes. Bye.